Hello everyone, I am Dr. M. Manikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So today in this video, we will detailedly discuss about clamper circuits. So in our previous video, we have discussed about clipper circuits. So in this video, we will detailedly discuss about clamper circuit. So let's go into the video. So clamper circuits. A clamper circuit is an electric circuit that changes the DC level of signal to a desired level without changing the shape of the applied signal. So in our clipper circuits, we can cut off some of the portion of the input signals. As a output, we will get the cut off signal waveforms. So in clamper circuits, so the shape of the waveform is same, but the magnitude and all the things, the level which are angles we can change by using the clamper circuits. So in other words, we can say it is clamper circuits moves the whole signal up or down to set the either positive peak or negative peak of the signal at the desired level. So only level changing. So we can move upward or downward directions. We can move by using the clamper circuits. So this is the circuit diagram for clamper circuit. So one diode and one resistor that is using in parallel direction, and one is horizontal, I mean series series direction is connected, that is the capacitor is connected. So this is the simple circuit diagram for positive clamper circuits. So types of clamper circuits, there are three types of clamper circuits is there. So positive clampers, negative clampers, and biased clampers. So one by one we'll discuss in detail. So first one, positive clamper. So if you are supplying the sine wave form in this circuit diagram, so we will get the output waveform like that. So that is, if you are using positive clamper, it will shift the waveforms to the above to the positive half cycle. So that is, we are using the magnitude as input, that is Vm, but after the process of clamper circuit positive clamper circuit, so you will get the waveform will shift towards the upward direction, positive direction. So now we will starting point of the waveform, that is Vm, and then end point, I mean maximum amplitude point, that is V 2 Vm. So that is then the negative half will move upward to the zero level. So this is the DC level changing circuit. So that is by using the positive clamper we will get output like this. So next one, negative clamper. So the same input waveform, sine signal, I mean sine waveform we are using, AC circuits or AC signals we are using. So we can change the direction of the diode, so that we can construct the negative clamper. So we will get the output waveform, the waveform shifting to the downward direction. So through the negative direction, fully all the waveform, so the same shape waveform will moving or shifting towards the negative directions. This is the DC level shifting to the negative direction. This is the negative clamper circuits. So positive clamper with I mean positive clamper circuit with the positive bias. So suppose we are introducing the biasing. So one VB voltage, I mean battery is connected with the diode. So we will get the output waveform like that. So this is the original output input signal. Then this is the original output signal that is moving upward direction with, by if you are supplying bias means little bit, again it will moving upward direction. So this is the positive bias. Suppose we are using the negative bias with the positive clamper means, so the original waveform will get in the positive direction. So little amount of waveform is moving in the that is shifting in the negative half. So only if you are using the negative half of the cycle is used moving upward direction, only half of the negative half will move upward direction. So this is the negative biasing. If you are using negative biasing with the positive clamper, we will get output like this. The negative clamper with positive bias. Negative clamper with positive bias means only it will fully moving downward direction in negative direction. Then half of the positive cycle signals only in the positive direction. The negative clamper with the negative bias on the fully moving downward direction, that is in negative direction. Then again a little bit again moving downward direction by when using the negative bias. So these are the different types of clamper circuits with biasing. Then these circuit diagrams or circuits where we are using means we are using different applications like DC restorer and clamped capacitors, or we can use the AC signals level shifter. So in level shifter circuits, wherever we are using level shifter circuits, we can use this kind of um, clamper circuits with bias or without bias. Wherever we need, based on the requirement, we can utilize the circuits properly. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.